Hi guys, my name is Ayodele Babatunde Emmanuel. I'm a social media manager and a graphic designer also. So I came across Kayshow concept on the Instagram. I came across it sometime January this year, but then I've not made up my mind. But over time, I took the decision to come and learn from them. And then from we started the training, we've learned a lot of things, starting from the Photoshop, After Effects, Adobe Illustrator, Premiere Pro. In fact, this class is a very loaded one. And one thing I like about Kayshow concept is they come down to your level. They relate with us as if they're relating with a layman, somebody who has no. So if you have no or little experience about all these applications I just mentioned, this is the right place for you to learn all you need to know to take your career to the next place. So I recommend to you come to Kayshow Concept and learn all you need to know. Thank you.